Good morning from Queens. This is the morning after the storm, the blizzard. This is my deck. And this is by the door. Cleaned this area last night a little bit. There's the drain. I put a chair there. This is the chair. I put a chair there so it would maybe cover the drain and protect it, but that didn't work. Okay, here's the rest of the deck. Again, the door. Some traffic going down White Avenue. White Avenue looks nice and clean. There's the Tri-Borough Bridge, the RFK. Let me see if I can go into backyard. There's Sandra's car. My sister parked in the front of the house. This is the whole back here. So this is done. My car is at work in the garage. There's no snow on the ledges, so I guess because of the blowing, the wind, it all came inside the deck. So I'm gonna try to shovel that chair out of there and clean the drain. Hopefully the sun will come out, more traffic. Okay, the bridge looks quiet. I don't see anything, but it's early, so that doesn't mean anything. The sky is gorgeous. It's a little bit cold, but okay. I guess we gotta do with it. That's my bedroom window. Nice and over there. And that's it. And then there's the front, of course, which I'm sure looks just like this. Okay, everybody. Good morning and